Your first $1,000 online is the hardest, not because it's impossible, but because nobody shows you the roadmap. Here it is, step by step, so you can stop guessing and start moving. In this video, I'll show you the exact 4 steps beginners use to earn their first digital income. We'll move fast, keep it simple, and focus on what actually works. Step 1 is choosing one simple digital skill you can learn this week. Keep it narrow. Clarity beats complexity every time. Short, clear actions compound into big results. For step 1, pick a lane and lock in. You don't need a degree, you only need one simple skill. Think practical tools, something real people already pay for. 3 filters, useful, easy to start, paid consistently. Skills like video editing, thumbnail design, writing, voiceover, or social media management are in massive demand. Choose one, not 5. Focused practice wins. Learn the basics in a day, then build a tiny project tomorrow. Repeat that mini project 3 to 5 times to sharpen quickly. Aim for value over perfection. Done beats perfect. Learn, practice, offer. That's the whole game for step 1. Keep it simple. Click into one path and commit for a week. Ignore shiny objects. Your single skill is your advantage. You only need one simple skill. Step 1 complete. Skill chosen. Momentum started. Now shift into step 2 and meet buyers where they already are. Don't build a website. Go where buyers already are. Opportunities are waiting, you just need to show up. Don't build a website, go where buyers already are. Think Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, Gumroad. Buyers browse daily. Platforms connect beginners with real paying clients every day. Create a simple offer page with one promise, one price, clear title, 3 bullets and a fast delivery time. Optimize your profile so clients can find you across time zones. Start with one niche, one outcome, one turnaround. Show outcomes, not fluff. Lead with proof, before and after, samples, or a 10-second demo. When you get a reply, respond fast and keep it friendly. Platforms connect beginners with real paying clients every day. Deliver your first job like a pro, confirm scope, meet the deadline. Over-deliver by 10%. Extras, polish, or a helpful loom. Ask for a one-line testimonial and permission to share results. Package that win into a mini case study. Headline, screenshot, outcome. Platforms connect beginners with real paying clients every day. Add those wins to your profile and pin them to proposals. Now step 3. Start small. Build proof. Your first goal is not $10,000, it's your first $10, then $50, then $100. Every small win builds momentum. Each job becomes proof. You can deliver outcomes. Track simple metrics, response rate, jobs done, reviews earned. Improve one notch each week. Faster, clearer, better. Raise your floor. Repeat what worked and cut what didn't. Every small win builds momentum. Celebrate milestones, then get back to the next tiny win. Ignore perfection. Consistency beats intensity. Borrow trust. Show logos, niches, or relevant keywords. Short, clear, results first. Keep clients. Communicate early. Deliver on time. Be reliable. Momentum creates income. Step 3. Complete. Proof in hand. Next up, scale the winners. Once you earn your first $1,000, everything changes. You gain confidence, skills, and proof. Lock in your wins from steps 1 to 3. Now you repeat and scale. Double down on the offer that sells consistently. Duplicate your best offer into a repeatable package. Batch similar tasks to save hours. Templatize your delivery for speed and quality. With proof in hand, raise your rates confidently. Build a simple pipeline of steady leads. Delegate low-value tasks first. Track key metrics weekly, and watch them climb. Nurture client A, B, and C with reliable delivery. Protect your focus. Say no to distractions. Standardize, document, and check off each step. Once you earn your first $1,000, everything changes. Collect testimonials and showcase results. Celebrate milestones, then set the next target. Your first $1,000 is not about money. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it. Proof of possibility. Start today. Your future's waiting. Start today. That's your 4-step roadmap. Subscribe and download the checklist below. Keep momentum. Share this with someone starting out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Choose your next step on the end screen. Stay focused. Keep shipping. Keep scaling. You've got this.